Okay, now we have seen the first example we have already covered, that was the first theorem. Okay, theorem of remote interior angle. Theorem of remote interior angle is already covered, and photograph I will be sending as P1 and P2 are the proof for theorem. This particular theorem of remote interior angle is given in picture 1 and 2, that is P1 and P2 will be labeled as P1 and P2. Now let's come to the second example. Okay, now these two examples are very important for you, because this lesson itself is important, triangle, and these are the only two problems that you are having in relation to your external angle or in remote interior angles. Only these two problems in fill in the blank form. Okay, so if teacher wants to put any fill in the blank so that टप्पू से डप्पू लड़का पास हो जाए और स्टूडेंट्स पास हो जाए, तो इसके लिए फिल इन द ब्लैंक डालेंगे तो ये दोनों में से कोई एक तो आएगा ही आएगा. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू नो दिस वेरी वेल. Okay, this fill in the blank, each and every problem will come for 4 marks. Okay, let's move into the solution, how to solve the first problem. Okay, the first one is, you can see two triangles given, PQR, triangle PQR, and then we have triangle T, and this is something S. Okay, शायद नेमिंग भूल गया मैं इधर. ST, PQRS and T. Now given that this particular angle is 40 degree, this is 30 degree. You have to find X and Y. Okay, you don't have to find X, you have to prove that X is how much. They said X is 90 degree, that is to be proved. Okay, now what you will do is, first we will have to find X and Y. So X direct we cannot find unless and until we have Y. So what we will do is, we will try to solve this, how to find Y. For finding Y, we have to find this particular exterior angle. Now what is the exterior angle? As per the theorem of remote interior angles, measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of the remote interior angle. One angle is 40 degree, another is 30 degree. 40 plus 30, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70 degrees. So this angle becomes 70 degree. Okay, if this is 70 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because angles in a linear pair. So Y plus 70 is equal to 180. Therefore Y is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. So this becomes 110 degree. Okay, 110 degree. This is 70 degree. Here they have already given that this particular measurement is 20 degree. That is angle is 20 degree. Now how can we find X? We have one angle 70 degree, other angle 20 degree. Now what we want is X. So that is, we will use again the same standard statement that I told you, by heart kar lo. It is going to be repeated in most of the problems here. Okay, that is, and all sum of measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore we have 70 plus 20 plus X is equal to 180. 70 plus 20, 7, 8, 9, 90 degree. That is X plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore X is equal to 180 minus 90, we get X is equal to 90. In this problem we have to prove that this is a right angle triangle. Triangle TRS is a right angle triangle. So we already have this angle T is 90 degree, तो automatically हो गया ना right angle triangle. Correct? Proof समझ में आ गया. The photographs have already been sent as, will be sent to you as picture 3 and 4. Okay, P3 P4 label असेल त्याला. That is your solution for example 2. Now example 3. Okay, this is a little weird kind of a thing. Okay, we have two overlying triangles. One is triangle ABC and the another one is triangle PBC. Okay, such that they have given that angle B, sorry, the ray PB, segment PB bisects the angle ABC and PC bisects angle ACB. So now what we have is, we have to prove that this angle, proof क्या है इधर क्वेश्चन, अरे क्वेश्चन ही नहीं लिखा है. वी हैव क्वेश्चन का होता बघावं लागेल. Here it is something that we have to prove that angle BAC angle PAC is equal to, angle PAC is double the size of angle BAC. Okay, so means if this is x, this is going to be double x. If this is 45, this will be 90. If this will be 30, this will be 60. It is exactly double. So we have to prove it now. How can you prove? We have first consider this ray PB. It bisects the angle ABC into ABP and angle PBC. Okay, this angle bisects into 2. Now the segment PC bisects angle ACB into 2 equal half, that is ACP and PCB. Okay, what is that? In bracket you have to mention the reason, angle addition postulate. Okay, postulate नहीं समझता है, angle addition property. fill in the blanks दिया हुआ है, उसके अंदर तुम्हारे को रीजन का ज़्यादा फिक्र करने का ज़रूरत नहीं, बिकॉज दिस प्रॉब्लम हैज़ बीन सॉल्व्ड एज अ fill in the blank. You only have to fill up the given blanks. Okay, now we have, let's say this is x plus x and let's say this is y plus y. Okay, why? Because angle bisector property. Now we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. बराबर. So now instead of angle A, B and C, we can replace angle B from, since this is a bisector, okay, angle PBC is equal to half of angle ABC. Again, angle bisector property is the reason. Barabar, you got this. So let this be, if this is 0, this is 0, there are 2 zeros. Here this is x and x, then there are 2x. Okay. Now we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is 2x, or else you can take it as, instead of 0 के बदले you take it y. Solve करायला easy असेल. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then we have angle A plus 2y plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle A is equal to 180 आहे तिथे. Okay, 2x plus 2y है. So what we will do is angle A plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore what we get, angle A, okay, angle A is equal to 2x plus 2y. Then come to the, this one, the smaller triangle. Okay, 2x plus 2y, 2 we can take common and we can get x plus y is equal to, that is angle A plus x plus y is equal to, that will be divided by 2. So that comes 90. So x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So now what we have is x plus y is already, we got 90 degree. So now come to the smaller triangle PBC. In triangle PBC we have one angle is x and one angle is y. From the first solution of the bigger triangle we already got x plus y is 90 degree. If these two angles are 90 degree, then automatically BPC will be 90 degree. बराबर. And same solution के अंदर we have 2x plus 2y is equal to, plus a is equal to how much, 180 था. बराबर है. डिवाइड करने के बाद 90 हो गया. दैट इज a, angle A is equal to 180 minus 90. This is again, sorry, not 180 minus 90, it is 90 डिवाइड किया 45. Okay, so now we get, this is adding 2y and 2x. 2y 2x ऐड करेगा तो x plus y is already 90. We got this 90. Okay, and this was when उसका डबल करके हम लोग ऐड कर रहा था, तो फिर we are getting 180. So now finally in the last statement you have to write the measurement of x plus y is equal to 90. Therefore angle BPC is also 90 degree. Why? Sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 90 degree. बराबर. थोड़ा confusing है, but fill in the blank के अंदर when you read the statement and write the answers, automatically it will be very very easy. So if you find something very confusing, of course क्योंकि problem confusing है थोड़ा, okay, the solution for this will be sent to you as labeled 2 photographs, picture P5 and P6. Okay, चलो 3 examples, we have already taken 3 examples. Now we are going to start with the solution of practice set 3.1. ओके 10 मिनट का वीडियो हो गया है, इसको यहाँ बंद करते हैं. विल कम बैक विद द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. And the very first sums is exactly the same what we have done, remote interior angle theorem. Okay, so mostly we will be solving all the sums. I'll be explaining how to solve based on the diagram itself, whatever the diagram or figure we have. I'll be solving it here itself. I'll explain you how to solve, and then